Hi, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is bite or hold your tongue. To bite or hold your tongue is to hold back from saying something. Let me give you some examples. He had to bite his tongue during the meeting, even though he disagreed with everything that was being said. It wasn't worth a confrontation, as he knew his words would fall on deaf ears. To fall on deaf ears would mean that no one would listen or pay attention to him. Next example, it's always a good idea to bite your tongue when you don't have something nice to say. Today's idiom, bite or hold your tongue, to hold back from saying something negative. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com.